It all starts here. Envision brand print wrap films from 3M. For smooth surfaces and textured walls, for flat surfaces and deep curves, and for all the in-betweens. The first high-performing non-PVC print wrap films on the market with a sustainability edge. Learn more about this amazingly versatile and exciting new product line at www.3mgraphics.com. In this video, you'll see how simply and quickly 3M brand Envision print wrap films conform to rough textures like brick walls to create a painted-on look. Even with deep grout lines, even with this much texture. For truly rough texture and extra deep grout lines, do a test run first to make sure you get the results you want. As with every film installation, start with a clean substrate. Make sure the substrate is dry, especially for outdoor installations recently exposed to rain or sprinklers. Clean obvious contaminants with the appropriate cleaner. Contaminants can prevent the film from conforming and adhering well, and can later lead to edge lifting. Brush off loose dirt and debris with a brush. And avoid installing film on loose or damaged substrates or over existing film. If you have any doubts about the stability or dryness of the substrate, fully apply a small test film, check its initial adhesion, leave it in place for a week, and recheck for good adhesion and appearance. Detailed information is available in 3M Instruction Bulletin 5.37. For the best, fastest, and most professional installation, always use the 3M brand two-handled textured surface applicator TSA4, along with a heat gun capable of maintaining 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, some masking tape, and silicone caulking for outdoor applications. That's it. Okay, let's get started with the installation. Position the film on the wall and hold it in place with masking tape. Try to avoid having the edges of the film begin or end within a grout line. Now, lift the film, grasp the liner, and pull it off of the film, using two hands if needed. And yes, go ahead and remove the entire liner. 3M brand Envision films conform only on demand. While maintaining proper alignment, use just your hands, no squeegee or tools, to create the initial adhesion to the wall. I told you this was easy. Mount the heat gun in the two-handled applicator so the nozzle will be 1 inch above the film. Then set the heat gun to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit and let it warm up. Now the fun begins as heat and pressure quickly conform the film to the texture. First, heat seal 3 of the 4 edges of the film, leaving the 4th edge open to allow an air escape route. Then, starting just off the top corner of the film, opposite from the open edge, begin conforming the film to the substrate. As you do this, you will be going over the heat-sealed edges. The proper application speed is essential to get good adhesion and avoid burning the film. Move along steadily at 3 inches per second, starting before the first edge and stopping only after you have completely passed the opposite edge. Overlap each pass by 50 to 75% to ensure the film fully conforms to the texture. You should be able to apply about 75 square feet per hour at this rate. This is up to 50% faster than with other 3M films for textured surfaces. A great time saver. As you move across the film, watch what you just applied to be sure you are moving at the right speed. A burned spot indicates that you need to move a little faster. Unfortunately, there is no way to undo a burn. Thanks to 3M's Comply adhesive with air release channels, it's very unlikely you'll ever trap air bubbles when applying 3M's Envision print wrap film. You are almost done already, and the installation is looking great. To help keep that great look on outdoor applications, seal the top edge of the film with a clear silicone caulk, which prevents moisture from seeping behind the film and through the grout lines. This quick tip can boost durability in outdoor applications. And that's a wrap! With Envision brand print wrap films from 3M, of course.